We turned this tired kitchen into a cozy dream without breaking a single wall. This kitchen had potential, but it was buried. Outdated cabinets, poor lighting, no flow. And the owner loved their space. They just didn't know where to start. The problem? A full renovation would cost thousands. But here's what we discovered. Sometimes, the smallest changes create the biggest magic. Over the next 8 minutes, we're transforming this kitchen into a warm, organized, deeply cozy space. And we're doing it without touching a single wall. Here's our strategy. First, we're updating the cabinet fronts. These originals are solid, so we're keeping the structure and giving them new faces. We chose warm, natural wood finishes that feel organic and calm. Second, lighting. That harsh overhead fixture, we're replacing it with warm, dimmable pendants. Lighting changes everything in a room, and nobody talks about it enough. Third, smart organization. Open shelving for beautiful pieces, hidden storage for the chaos. When things have a home, your whole kitchen breathes easier. And finally, styling. Small plants, warm ceramics, natural textures. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a space you want to spend time in. We start with the color. Instead of replacing the cabinets, I'm using a wood stain to give the fronts a completely new tone. Something warm, soft, and timeless. Then, small details that change everything. Brushed brass handles. Simple, elegant, and instantly elevating the whole kitchen. Before moving, I take time to measure everything carefully. This is where the transformation really begins. This is where we start. The old cabinet fronts, worn out, a little tired, covered in layers of old paint that no longer feel right for this space. Instead of replacing them, we carefully remove each door. Slowly, one by one, the kitchen begins to feel empty, almost like a blank canvas. Then comes the process of cleaning. Sanding away the old finish, removing the paint, revealing the natural wood underneath. It's not instant, but there's something very satisfying about it. Watching the original texture come back to life. And once everything is smooth and clean, we move on to the transformation. Choosing the stain was important. Something warm, soft, not too dark, just enough to highlight the natural grain of the wood. The first brushstroke already changes everything. The wood absorbs the color and suddenly it feels richer, deeper, more live. Layer by layer, the tone becomes more even, more refined. What once felt outdated now starts to look intentional. Calm, aesthetic. It's a quiet transformation, but a powerful one. Same cabinets, completely different feeling. And this is the moment where you realize you don't always need a renovation to create something beautiful. Now it's time for the final detail, the handles. I chose brushed brass, warm, subtle, but with just enough contrast to stand out against the wood. We carefully mark each point, keeping everything aligned and balanced. Then, slowly, one by one, the handles come into place. It's a small change, but it transforms the entire feeling. The moment they're on, the kitchen feels complete. More refined, more intentional. Like every detail finally belongs. With the new stained fronts and these soft brass accents, the space feels warmer, calmer, and quietly elevated. Same kitchen, but now it tells a completely different story. Lighting is the heartbeat of a room, and this old fluorescent fixture made everything feel flat, cold, almost lifeless. So we're replacing it with something softer. Pendant lights with a warm tone. Simple, minimal, but full of atmosphere. The installation is slow and careful, adjusting the height, finding the right balance, making sure the light falls exactly where it should. And then, the moment it turns on, the whole kitchen changes. Shadows become softer, textures feel deeper, the space instantly feels more alive. With dimmable controls, the light adapts to the mood. Bright and clear during the day, warm and cozy in the evening. It's not just about visibility, it's about feeling. Because the right light doesn't just illuminate a space, it transforms it. Watch what happens when we flip the switch. First, open shelving reveal. Hands carefully placing glassware, ceramic bowls, stoneware. Each item is beautiful and functional. Show the negative space, it's not cramped. Organization is invisible beauty. It's about asking, what deserves to be seen? What deserves to be hidden? Your beautiful dishes, your favorite glassware, your ceramics, these become decor. But the appliances you don't use daily, the plastic storage, that goes away or gets hidden. When you can see what you have, when things have a home, you use them better. Your kitchen works for you instead of against you. And notice, we're using natural materials: wood, ceramic, plants, linen. These textures make a room feel alive. The last layer is feeling. Details that aren't necessary but make you smile when you see them. A few fresh flowers, a favorite cookbook propped open, warm textures. These aren't design rules, they're invitations to slow down and enjoy the space you're in. This is transformation without demolition. Same walls, same footprint, completely different energy. And the best part? This kitchen is functional. It's organized, it's beautiful, but it's not precious. You can live in it. You want to live in it. Your kitchen doesn't need to be torn apart to be transformed. Sometimes, the most powerful changes come from intention. If your kitchen needs love, but your budget is tight, start here. Lighting, hardware, and ruthless organization. These 3 things change everything. What room in your home is waiting for a second chance? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to know. And if you love cozy, intentional spaces, hit subscribe. We're building something warm here. Cozy Space Makeover,